Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your Google Sheets with a password. So there's actually a new feature here in Google Sheets that allows you to directly put a password over your spreadsheets. So I'm going to show you how you can password protect your Google Sheets. So first, I'm going to go to the extensions tab over here. Then just click on it. Then click on the apps script. Then you just want to delete everything that's pre-written over here. So I'm just going to erase all of those. And then over here at number 1, you want to go ahead and copy the code that is written in my description. Then you want to go ahead and paste it here. And then you just want to make sure that here where it says your password, you would just want to make sure to change that to the password that you want to have for your spreadsheet. And after you're done with that, just click on the Save Project Drive over here. And then you want to go back to your spreadsheet. And then I'm just going to close this first. And then I'm going to open it again. And as you can see, it's asking me for a password. So I'm going to enter the password so I can go ahead and access this spreadsheet. And as you can see, there will be a separate sheet for the access log. So you can just go ahead and make another sheet where you can input the data that you need to put for this spreadsheet. So that's it. Thanks for watching.